the news that's coming in from Kerala. The Kerala High Court has directed the central government to inform it of the steps it can take to facilitate the release of a sailor who's being held hostage by Somali pirates. The Kerala High Court has passed this order following a petition filed by the sailor's wife. The centre's stand is that it will not negotiate with Somali pirates. Let's get more details from Dakshina Muralidharan on the phone. Dakshina, just give us the background of this case and the significance of the High Court directive.
Well, this particular case relates to the ship MT.ASPHALT. It was hijacked by the Somalian pirates in 2010 September, and last year, in fact, Parul, in May, 8 of the crew members from this particular ship was released by the pirates after the company owner paid the ransom amount. But they refused to, but they detained 7 other crew members in the ship. So in this particular case, the wife of one of the sailors who's still in the captivity of the Somalian pirates have approached the High Court saying there's no reprieve for them. Her husband, MT Unnikrishnan, is still in the captivity of the pirates. And according to her information, she got one particular call from the ship when her husband said that his health is deteriorating, he is diabetic, and he needs some kind of intervention from the government so that these other 7 crew members could be released. So the chauffeur, Unnikrishnan, the wife of the sailor, in her petition told the High Court that there is no from the central government. The central government is refusing to intervene in this particular case any longer. We do not know whether there was any kind of intervention last year when the crew members were released, but we understand that the company had paid an amount of ransom, and that's how the previous 8 members were released by the pirates. So we have to wait and see how the centre reacts to this particular petition and whether indeed it can step in and help this particular sailor's family and all the other sailors' families who are mentioned in this particular case.
Dakshina, the sailors' family, do they have renewed hope after the Kerala High Court's intervention?
Yes, indeed. After the order came about, the lawyer was indicating that they are happy that the High Court has stepped in at this point of time. Remember, the High Court has asked the centre to explain to the court what all steps it can take to intervene and help the sailors. Remember, this particular ship was hijacked in September. To understand that the sailors have been in captivity more than 2 years now. So we have to wait and see how the centre reacts to this particular petition, how it can ensure that the sailors come back to the nation safely. Remember, this is not the first case, Parul. We at CNN have been reporting about several cases where sailors have been taken to custody, and only after hue and cry in the nation that the government intervenes and brings them back.